Ian Warhurst, welcome back to the University of Huddersfield.
Thank you.
You have a degree from here, you were a Top Gear Man of the Year, and now you have an honorary award. How does it feel to get this accolade?
I'm still a bit astounded, to be honest with you. I'm really, really pleased. I mean, how great to get one from the university you went to when you were younger. So yeah, fantastic.
Yeah. And how important of your connection, because you are from the area, not from too far away, how important even now are your roots to Yorkshire and this area?
Yeah, I mean, so I grew up in Brighouse, which isn't far away. I came here to university, and then I moved to, I actually lived in Huddersfield for a while, then moved to the Barnsley area where I set up the business, and that business is still there now to this day, which after I sold it. So yeah, so I think Yorkshire through and through at the moment. So.
Yeah. And the Bloodhound Land Speed Record project that you were involved with for a time, it looks incredibly exciting from watching the YouTube clips and everything. What was the biggest challenge of that project that you found?
Getting everyone to the right place at the right time, as with many projects, financing it, and also just there were a lot of very, very clever people involved in the project, and getting them all to work together was a challenge, but also it was a fantastic thing to do as well. It was thoroughly enjoyable. I was absolutely in my element with it.
Yeah, so, I mean, you put so much into the Bloodhound project, but I understand that you've moved on to other things now. What are you doing now?
So I'm the project's still going actually. It's dormant at the minute. I still own it, but the guys looking for funding for the next phase. What I'm also doing now is looking at the future of transport. Really, that's the thing that's really interesting me at the moment. We're about to change the entire way that everything moves around the planet. So the internal combustion engine is going to disappear at some point. It may stay for some things. How do we fuel it? What replaces it? Some really, really exciting things going on at the moment. So it's a real challenge for the engineers and the graduates coming through today.
Well, speaking of the graduates that are coming through then, what piece of advice would you say to any of the students here at the university who are about to leave university and go out into the wider world?
I guess I'm jealous that I'm not at that age now because it's so exciting. There's so much going on, so many new technologies coming along that need to be developed. And the students of today are the ones that are going to create the answers for tomorrow. So it's a great place to be. There should be opportunities abundant for everybody at the moment. We can't get enough engineers. That's why the Bloodhound project was running, to try and get people into engineering.